Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for new notification. Let's start. Class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 5, Introduction to HTML5. Means we are going to start a topic where we will study the 5th version of HTML, part 1. Have you all seen your school website? Every one of you are regularly visiting it. How dynamic, how beautiful it is. So here I would like you to emphasize that in creation of such a website or web pages, one of the key factors is this HTML. Knowledge of HTML help us to create the web pages. Once you will understand the concept, the syntax of HTML, you will also be able to create the web pages. Before I start what is HTML and all about the HTML, some technical terms I feel you should know and you should aware that we will be frequently using in this chapter. Since we are dealing with websites and web pages, internet is one of the important factor. Without internet access, you will not have access to your web pages, website. What is internet? Huge network of interlinked computers. When you wish to visit your website, first thing what you do, having the internet access, after that you click on either on your mobile or desktop, you click on Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. What are that? That is an application software and that is technical name is browser, that help you to surf the net or the information over the internet. Now it's clear what the browser is. Look here, so many browsers are there. The commonly known browsers are Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. But apart from that, so many others are there, you can see on your screen. Server. What is server? It is a computer only, but how it is different from other computer? All other computers and data the server is collecting. On that stores huge amount of data. And what is website? It comprises of web pages. So in this chapter we will frequently deal with these terms. Let's start. First question is, what is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. Developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The purpose of developing a markup language so that we can present our content on the web pages. Suppose we are writing anything and if we want it to reach to every corner of the world, then it has to be published on the websites or web pages, and that web pages, that the presentations of web pages are governed by HTML. It is a standard markup language actually. Please my dear student, don't get confused. It is a programming language. No, HTML is not a coding. Codes are not there, but it is a markup language that helps you create dynamic web pages. The latest version of HTML is HTML5 that we will deal, and it has been published in 2014. Let us now discuss HTML and HTML5. Only the version is different? No, some features had been added. With the advancement of technology, things are getting simpler. Simpler in what respect? They are becoming more and more user-friendly. Let us understand on some factors how these two are differs. Audio video. There are no such concept of media in case of HTML. But HTML5 allow you to embed audio and video directly into web pages. Vector graphics. Now you can see the web pages have so many dynamic graphics are there, and that graphics has been designed using Canvas. It's basically a tool that helps you to design the advanced graphic, and this feature is available in HTML5. But in HTML, the first version, it uses the graphics with the help of Flash, VML. These are the tools. Next factor is browser support. It runs smoothly on old browsers like Internet Explorer, but the new browsers support the new specifications, and that is available in HTML5. Ease of use. Of course, that I have already told you, with the advancement of technology, things are getting simpler. Syntax are becoming simple. So HTML5 has more easier, simple syntax than HTML. Creating HTML document. Now, if you want to create a HTML document, you require two things. First is text editor. Second one is browser. Text editor is used to type the text, or I say giving the input. Browser is used for viewing the output. Now we will learn different types of HTML editor. The first one is WYSIWYG editor. It is an abbreviated form of what you see is what you get. My dear students, this type of editors are generally used by professional. This type of editor have various advantage over text editor, as it enable you to see the end result while creating the HTML document. Moreover, it ensures very high graphical interface. Actually, it provides various tools so that you can create high quality of graphics. Secondly, you need not learn all the HTML command while working on this type of editor. See, this is an example of Dreamweaver, which is a type of WYSIWYG editor. I have shown you the logo of Dreamweaver. Next example is Google Web Designer. See, high quality of graphic has been maintained using this editor. Next one is text editor. Notepad and WordPad are the example, and you are quite familiar with these two terms. So my dear students, in our upcoming session, we will learn HTML through Notepad text editor. As I told you, WYSIWYG editor is generally used by professional, and for the beginner, text editor is the best editor. So till then, take care and have a nice day.